I'm going to teach you how to draw a dog. First, you're going to do a little guy with no arms. She's getting attacked by a little fly. And then she jumps in a big lake. And you find the sewer tunnel. They get to the same place. And then she jump in the little lake. And then you see a lot of wings. And then this is how you draw a dog.
And what's your doggy's name?
Cookie.
And what's your name?
Brooklyn Brother.
Look at me. Say, have a good night.
Have a good night.
Have
Have a good night.